Hey there guys, in this quick video I'm going to talk about the best tax filing software right now on the market that you can actually use, like the best app. So the first one is TurboTax. So this is the most popular tax software in the US. The interface is also great. You can have step-by-step Q&A walks through you everything. Also auto imports, like plenty of data from banks and also crypto accounts. Live tax experts, like access available. And it also like supports the Spanish language filing for online products, but it's the most expensive DI tax software on the market, and pricing is not transparent until you're ready to file. So this is a very important thing. Aggressive upselling tactics through the filing process, so pushing the upgrades into you. Only about 37% of fillers qualify for the free edition. Customer support complaints are also real, and the $40 fee to tax software cost from a refund feels like a sneaky charge. So that's like pretty much it for the TurboTax. It's very good, but it's like more pricey. There are plenty of reviews, the most popular one, so that's something for you to check out. Now the next one is HR Block. So the only major tax software that also has 9,000 physical offices. So that's very good, because if you get stuck, you can actually walk in and talk to someone. Paid plans include access to Tax Pro through chat or video. Free version covers federal and state filings, so that's like very good. And now even further, stores up to 6 years of tax returns for easy reference and importing, and has a donation value calculator for itemizers. So the TurboTax dropped theirs. Now, you can have upselling here. So with the HR Block, what do you need to expect? Full page ads for add-ons, and the FTC actually required HR Block to overhaul its practices after letting the company approach harmed consumers. Prices have been climbing. That's another thing that's understandable, because everything is more expensive. Limited brokerage integrations, rental property and depreciation. Desktop software has had registration issues. So this is another one for you to actually like check out. Now, for the FreeTaxUSA, what is really good is that with the FreeTaxUSA, federal filing is completely free for all tax situations, so saving users about like $73 on average. State returns are only $14.99. The $7.99 Deluxe upgrade is a no-brainer. You can now upload like PDF of your investments, cover self-employment, rental income, and many other things. And the accuracy guarantee and per year import are included. Now, it's not really free for most people. If you need to file state return, you're paying $15.99. Okay, so that's like important thing. No dedicated mobile app, no API, and no third-party integrations. The interface works, but it's bare bones. Basic audit assistance only, and no in-person support option. So that's like another one. The TaxAct, on the other hand, about 20% cheaper than TurboTax on average for federal billing. The 100,000 accuracy guarantee is the strongest in the industry. Clean, guided step-by-step interface for real-time error checking. Also detection maximizer tool. Now, good mobile app that syncs with desktop, but the free version has a limited coverage. You can even claim a student loan interest. State filing costs $44.95 per return. So that's like very important thing for the premier. And also no in-person support, online only. And some people find the wording confusing on certain questions. And it also may lack in-depth support and advanced features for highly complex tax situations. And now refund advanced loans not available for online consumers. Now the TaxSlayer, this is like another one that I want to share with you, the last one. So with the TaxSlayer, over 50 years of experience, processed over 10 million federal and state e-fill returns. The cheapest paid option for most fillers. A self-employed plan includes access to Tax Pro with self-employed expertise, huge perk at the price point, excellent build in how this works. A free plan covers federal and state for simple unders, so this is like another thing that you have to be aware of. But state filing costs like $40, okay? A free plan is also very limited. No in-person offices, so that's important. So no desktop download option, no QuickBooks or brokerage integration. So this is kind of like important thing too that you have to be aware of if you want to like use the TaxSlayer. But it's like also possible to use. So thank you very much guys for watching. Hope this video helped you at least a little bit what you can actually like expect out of these tools. So thank you and have a great day and goodbye.